Welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone had a great holiday. I'm back in the shop and we are going to test fit the engine and transmission. We're going to permanently install the engine mounts. We're going to weld the bracket on the transmission crossmember and install the transmission crossmember. We are also going to test fit the headers, and stay tuned. Alright, so the engine is in. It's very awesome. The driver's side headers have been installed, and then Pony is going to go get the passenger side headers. So if you want to look at this badass piece, let me just show you a little bit here.
Turn the microphone towards you.
See them nice looking headers down there. Header, excuse me. Header. Just wanted to show you guys a little bit. So we're going to install the passenger side header right now.
I think it was hitting that one bolt.
And Pony is installing.
That barely snuck in there.
Oops.
I want to get this all the way up against the head. There's no gasket, but we're just test fitting.
Just test fitting.
Well, I mean, we can leave it in there. Just gotta let it stay there, please. Need to switch hands. God, reaching over this thing sucks.
Yeah, it does.
Come on. Get in there. Damn it. I don't like how that's doing.
What?
It's touching the header.
These?
That one, yeah.
Ooh. Maybe you could put some of these on it. Will that help it?
Might have to put like a heat shielding or something on it.
Yeah.
Because it's touching. Well, that sucks. I'll go there. Let me see if any of these will touch. Are you looking at what you're filming?
I'm watching you.
That one clears pretty good, looks like. These headers are freaking huge. Ah, this one got dirty. How did it get dirty?
I don't know.
It's so close to the valve cover of those coils. It's kind of a pain in the butt.
All right.
Let me move that towel.
So the passenger side header
Look
is
how
installed.
close that is.
Look at
Look how
that.
close it is to that bolt.
That is super close. Wow.
Well, that ain't too bad from this angle.
Looks really nice though.
Gotta do something about this.
I'm so excited.
That sucks. Yeah, that's touching.
Is that not pretty or what?
I need to look underneath.
Oh my
and see
gosh.
how that looks. in
That
the
just
top.
looks so amazing. Would you say so? Oh, like
Oh, hell yeah.
ponies going underneath?
What? That looks so good. That's like, that fits so good.
It looks perfect.
Man, that fits really, really good. I want to tighten up the, run the bolts up on the driver's side too. To see exactly where that one's going to sit.
Let me see if I could see the motor mounts from here.
Yeah, you see that?
There's the motor mount right there. Oh shit. You can see that. Ooh, this girl's almost done. So this is what the driver's side header looks like. Minus Pony's hand.
All those clear. Pretty good.
It's in there, and it's pretty tight.
See how it's got to go around that. Here, let me shine the light down there. See how it's got to go around that power steering pump? Golly.
That's close.
It's pretty close. But I mean, everything clears, it looks like.
Yeah. There's
God,
that.
that's close.
There's that motor mount down there.
I'll bring the creeper over here. Look where that runs through.
Would you look at that beast?
Actually, I can just go under here.
So, is it cute or what? Do you like it? Because I love it. All right, so we pretty much got the engine and transmission in, and there should be no reason why we should have to take it back out. We still have a ways to go with this machine, but we're almost there. If you like this content, hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed, please do. And we'll see you soon.